Holy moly, Brownstown. Today is Saturday, August the 17th, 2024. Holy moly, we usually post videos each and every Wednesday and Saturday at 9 a.m. Today is a little bit differently. We're going to be posting after 9 a.m. today because I want to put this video out today. Holy moly, hope you guys are ready. Some fluffy fibers soiled with the crunchy vacuum on here. It's going to be amazing. So hope you guys are ready. Hit the subscribe button right now. Oh wait. Oh. What's going on here? Oh no. Oh no, please. Please. What the? Oh. Holy moly. Oh no. We didn't start the warps again. Whew. That warp was crazy. Whew, look at these floors. Holy moly, this is going to be a great vacuum, Brownstown. Let me turn this camera around right now. Holy. You can see the crunch, guys. Look at that. Holy moly. Oh, we can see the crunch, guys. They was doing some painting, some construction in here. But, holy moly. Hit the subscribe button right now. Let's go. Woo! Holy moly. Look at the vacuum lines. Oh. Woo. Holy moly. Oh. Holy moly. Oh! Oh, crap. Woo! I didn't know what just happened. Holy moly, Brownstown. You see what came out of the floors, out of the hallway, that bedroom, and this family room area. Nice and fluffy carpet as well, guys. All right, now it's time for the cleaning. Hit the subscribe button right now. Follow us on TikTok, guys. We do food reviews on TikTok. We post about 2 food reviews, or once a week maybe, for food reviews, but they are going viral. So check out Brown's Pro Carpet on YouTube, on TikTok, guys. We appreciate you. Holy moly.